how starting an e-commerce business looks like. So primarily, of course, there are multiple functions when you are looking to start your own business or e-commerce company. First and foremost would be to choose the right product or niche. Once you've chosen the right product, then comes, of course, sourcing, logistics. You want to know about its demand, competition, etc. Marketing would be another function. So now, what entails in marketing? Marketing of that product entails keyword research, and I'm also giving it from a SellerApp standpoint, right? So listing optimization and advertising. Operations consists of everything from handling customer reviews, complaints, inventory management, P&L, profit margins, and all of those combined. So depending on the phase of e-commerce business or the journey, the challenges could be very different, right? We have built a one-stop unified solution here at SellerApp to cater to all these different phases, whether you're at the launch phase, growth phase, or the mature phase, and really addressing all those different pain points. So now there are multiple suite of tools or solutions rather that we offer. What really differentiates us from our competitors is that they're all great tools, but the difference is that we do have great data, which can be interpreted differently, but it's also backed by human intuition. So we have growth consultants here who really help sellers in their Amazon journey to give you actionable insights and recommendations.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're running on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.